What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Azhane, and in today's video we're just going to be doing a wig install. I've already installed this wig, so if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. I did a lot of plucking and I switched the part around, so yeah, if you're interested in seeing how it turned out, keep watching. So here's what the unit looks like. I don't really know much about it, I can't remember, but all the information will be in the description box. So it's this piano dyed wig, and I put it in a side part. It was already pre-cut this way. I just bumped the ends, and yeah, let's go ahead and reinstall it. I'm gonna be using glue this time. You know, I never use glue. I always just use the spritz and all that. But I got some glue. I got this on Amazon, but you can get this at your local beauty supply. But I ordered it on Amazon. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. My hair looks a mess. I just washed it and I twisted it up and I let it air dry. But yeah, nobody's gonna sit anyways. It's gonna be under a wig cap. Okay guys, so TV's still on. So the wig is it's a frontal band, and it has the adjustable little bands at the bottom, and and combs. I don't use the combs, I just use the band, and I use the back comb, but that's the only comb that I use. Look, hopefully it looks better. It don't look bad, but hopefully I make it look better. So this wig is from Megalook hair. If you guys are interested in purchasing this hair or seeing what other types of hair they have on their website, the link will be in the description box down below. The direct link for this hair will be in the description box down below if you are just interested in wearing this wig. But yeah, everything is in the description box, and use code MYDT13 for 13% off. And yeah, that's it. Just watch the video and see how it turns out. I think that turns out really good. Transfer to my phone because my camera's about to die. Okay, so here's just the okay, I did not bleach this unit, so of course you can see some of the knots, but that's fine. Okay, it's not too bad. You just get you some foundation or some concealer and brush that out the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some spritz down, because even though I did use the glue, I only used one layer of the glue just because I'm lazy. Like I don't really be like caring. It's still cute though. Like, I like this brown on me, especially like on my phone and in this mirror. It's really working with like my skin tone. So yeah, I'm gonna do my edges in a minute. You know, maybe I should do my edges now. So let me find my razor. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some concealer in the part just to cover up the dark knots.
That's funny. I know, man. It's crazy. So sad. You had a good time? Yeah, I had a really good time.
This is toffee, whatever. Toffee. It's like, this is what I use for like my eyebrows and under eye concealer.
That's not like a fake personality. It's just who I am. I always have a wall of people, especially boys. So don't think that I didn't like you. You're very cute.
Let me use this clear brow and lash mascara just to like brush my eyebrows up, because they look a little sad.
I'm going to be shameless. I'm going to go out. I'm going to have a good time. If a bitch touches me, I am to break her face and mash her whole body, wipe the floor up with her. I got bug bites on my inner thighs, my butt.
I'm just gonna put on something. I mean, I'm not gonna leave my room today, not that I know of, but I'm gonna just go ahead and put some kind of clothes on, because I do look a mess. So you can kind of see my wig cap. I should have pushed it back some, and like you could barely see my edges because this hair in the front is blonde. But other than that, I think it's cool. So yeah, if you guys like this hair, go ahead and check them out down below. Oh, this is Megalook hair. Use my promo code to get a little discount if you want to purchase some hair off their website. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Check out my other video. So yeah, check out my other video on this hair to see it in like a middle part. And I honestly feel like the middle part and the side part gives me two different vibes. Like right now I feel, I don't know, I feel like good. But with like the middle part, I felt like, I didn't feel like bad, but I felt like a bad girl. Like I felt good too, but it's just a different kind of good. Like, I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm just talking. But yeah, check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and take some pictures. So once again, if you want to see pictures with this look, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at YourPinkPillow. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.